What's up everyone, welcome back to the Mower Mechanic. Today I have a very common problem here. If you're seeing a lot of oil on this particular side of the engine and you have one of these plugs in it, that is likely your culprit. Now I've already cleaned this one off, but you can still see some of the residue left down there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this drained out real quick, and then I will show you the fix. Get my super high-tech oil funnel. Alright, all drained. Let's get all this stuff moved out of the way. Alright, so if you watch right here, this black part is the only part that's supposed to spin. You're supposed to be able to push it in, twist it, pull it out to drain the oil. But, very common problem is the whole thing is loose. You can see this part isn't supposed to spin. So, I have it jacked up a little, just so any remaining oil will kind of stay on the other side, so I don't make a big mess. So I'm just going to take this out. And what a lot of people will do is they'll just buy like a 3-inch pipe and then put it off the edge here and then put a little cap on it or something like that. But what I do is I buy this yellow Teflon tape, which is for petroleum and not water. I wrap it on here a few times and I just put it back in and tighten it, which you would have to do anyways if you got a pipe. So this is just way easier. So I'll wipe this all down, spray it off with some brake cleaner. Alright, so we're going to go 4 wraps. That's 1, 2, 3-ish, 4-ish. Take it off. Now these are very easy cross thread, so be sure you try your best not to do that so you don't have a much bigger problem. It's starting to get tight, so I'll grab my wrench. Now, obviously you don't want to get it too tight and break the thing off in there. Right there. I'll fill it back up. Now we got the jack lowered back down. Also, while I'm finishing up here, leave down in the comments how you pronounce it, oil or oil. I'm kind of trying to win a long time debate. I got it all filled up. Perfect. Alright, now I went ahead and wiped this off some more so we could see very clearly if it's leaking. And we have no leaks around it. So that has solved our problem. This is just how I do it. If you like to run the pipe, run the pipe. I've done it a few times because sometimes it is hard to get a wrench in there and tighten that thing all the way down, so the pipe is a better option, and it makes it easier where you don't have to use that little cardboard piece like I had to. So you do it how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.